In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to integrate the Ostorlab security scanner into your TeamCity pipelines. Head to your project settings page and add a new build step. Choose command line as the runner type. Add a name to your build step. Fill in the Ostorlab CI scan command. Check the documentation below for the full list of options. Select the option to run step within container. Add the Ostorlab base image. Choose Linux as the image platform. Click on Edit Arguments. Mount the target application to the Ostorlab container. Save the build step configuration. Now, we need to fill the parameters we chose for the Ostorlab CI scan command. Choose the parameter you want to modify, or add a new one. Fill in the desired value, in this case the scan title. Save the parameter. Add environment variables. You can choose the type of the field. For the API key we are choosing password. Add your Ostorlab API key. Check documentation below on how to generate a new one. Save the environment variable. Add the scan profile environment variable. Fill in the scan profile, choose fast or full depending on your use case. Save the environment variable. Now, you are ready to run your build steps. This guide covered how to integrate the Ostorlab security scanner into your TeamCity pipelines.